What is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. For this video, magkakaroon tayo ng challenging build dahil ang mga components na to, isang standard ATX na power supply, micro ATX na motherboard, this RGB fan, this RAM, processor, and this SSD. Pagkakasyahin lang natin dito sa maliit na PC case na to. This is the Gigaware Beatle. Ito yung pinakita natin doon sa ating tech haul. Check nyo na lang dito. So before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe now so you can get notified pag meron tayong mga posts about new tech stuff and mga PC build. And also, if you're looking for quality printed materials, you can check Prince Parco here, and I'll put their link down below. Also, if you have a kid around your house or mga anak nyo na gusto nyong ipa-tutor, meron tayong friends from education. You can check them here and I'll put their link down below. So guys, simulan na natin ang video build. Alright guys, so tapos na yung ating mini build. So this goes to show na kaya nitong case na tong i-accommodate ang A320M. Pero may problem lang tayo. I don't think if only with this board, yung fans natin sa taas, hindi tayo nakapaglagay. Bakit? Kasi tumatama yung front panel USB 3 doon sa may motherboard part. So, ditong parte, kaya hindi natin siya malagyan ng fan. So, I'm not sure if paano yung gagawin nyo dito. Pero, I suggest na magkaroon na lang kayo, let's say, ng angle connector for the USB 3. Meron tayong nabibili nun or extender for that para makapaglagay kayo ng 120mm fan dito. Since hindi nga pwedeng maglagay dahil tinatamaan yung mga front panel I/O natin. Yun yung isa ko nakitang problem. Siguro with micro ATX or MATX na motherboard. Yun yung nakikita kong problem. Although there's a solution, pwede nating i-mount dito sa labas. Okay. Yung fan. Kasong weird naman, mukhang factory lang yung yung system mo. Kasi may nakalabas na fan dyan, and then siguro takpan mo lang na lang ng mesh. Pero for today, hindi muna natin gagawin yun kasi so naipakita sa inyo na kaya mong mag-build ng simpleng unit dito kahit iGPU lang or yung APU lang, makakagawa ka na ng mini system na pwede mong dalhin. And of course, hindi ka gumagastos na malaki since micro ATX part nga yung gamit mo. Also guys, kaya pa niyang maglagay dito ng GPU, yung graphics card natin, ng super sakto yung dual fan. Pero I would suggest na single fan yung mga gamitin nyo, yung mga ITX builds, yung mga maliliit lang na cards, yung mga, again, single fan lang na graphics cards, yung magandang ilagay dito para magkaroon kayo ng konting allowance para sa inyong mga cable management. And then cable management wise naman, of course, since maliit nga siyang case, medyo mahirap lang mag-cable manage dito in terms of pag hindi modular yung ginamit mong power supply. Since kagaya nito, crinamp ko lang siya dito since may space pa para sa mga wires dito. Yun yung downside if ang gamit mo is non-modular or yung ating standard na mga power supply. Hindi na ako masyado nag-cable manage since I just want to show you guys na kaya natin mag-build dito ng system. Almost forgot, yung motherboard niya is nakabaliktad. Ang CPU mo is nasa baba. Nandito siya sa baba. So, katapat niya yung power supply natin. So, guys, that was all for our PC build for today. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it and comment down below on your thoughts or suggestions. Guys, also, this system unit is for sale. So just hit me up on my page here or I'll put the link down below. And then guys, I'll see you on the next one.